Good evening, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Philips SPA8210. This is a multimedia speaker, and this is a 2.0 version. And I can tell from the front of the case here, not even taking it apart, has a tweeter in the middle and the other two speakers right here. Headphones, all that, so I can see that from the front here, and I'm gonna break the seal on this bad boy for you guys so you can see what it looks like. All right. First things that pop out, as always, user manual, warranty guide, all your useful information for those who like to read these pamphlets here. Next, there's some wires sticking out here. The power brick. Got $18-volt output on this here. So I believe this is a 40-watt speaker. So let's open it up here. Ooh, look at this. There we go. This box. This is unwrapped here. There we go. Here's the speaker up close and personal. You can see that it has an aluminum finish around the front of the speaker here. There's a very glossy plastic on the other side here. Then it has these rubber feet on the bottom. But it's a pretty good size PC speaker, so it's not small and it's not too big. So if this is a speaker that can fit your desk, because I know sometimes people do not have room for certain speakers. Either they're too big, their computer desk is not that big, doesn't have enough room on it. But these bad boys, get them in view here so you guys can see them. Not real big, they're like a medium-sized speakers. Okay, and you have your connection right here in the back, and I'll show you guys here in the back here. You can see this back of these speakers here. Let me get in the shot right here. The wire goes into the other side here because they're not connected. You have to connect these speakers. So you use this wire on the other speaker and you connect it right in the other side of the other speaker right here. And then on the other side is the connection for your power cable. Okay? That's the way they designed these. Philips designed these two speakers. Oh man, that wasn't good. And then you have your regular 3.5 headphone jack cable here, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I know you guys probably won't be able to tell about the volume. Since I'm recording this, you probably won't even be able to tell how good it sounds or how bad it sounds, but I'll let you guys hear how I believe the quality is from my point of view, since you won't really be able to tell by my recording but I will let you guys hear the sound quality as best as I can anyway. So next, hook it up to my test PC, play some YouTube friendly songs, and we'll be on our way. Alright? Okay guys, so got it hooked up to the test PC, test rig here. Put on some YouTube friendly, copyright free music for you. Just to let you hear it, but you probably won't really notice it on my recording, but I want you guys to hear the sound of it. Here we go. Alright, let's get something else. I'm trying to find stuff with different beats coming out of it. Let's see if... So there's a few examples for you guys to hear. You know, trying to go through different, you know, examples so you guys can hear the bass and the, you know, treble, all that. You might not be able to hear it all through my recording, but I'm trying my best here. And guys, I don't have these turned all the way up to max. These are like, it's like halfway turned up, but I really like these speakers. I can tell you for the size, these things are pretty good. I'm hearing a lot of good bass, treble. The tweeters are real good touch. So I'm liking these. I love these speakers actually. So I would recommend them if you guys, you know, are looking at these speakers. If you might need some or you need to upgrade a little bit, I'd recommend. And Sandy it has the headphone jacks in the front and an extra auxiliary jack right here next to it. So, and also when you turn it on, there's a LED around the controller here that lights up, guys. You guys can see that. Turn it off, LED turns off. Okay, so my recommendation, guys, is you want a decent speaker. If you got a little smaller beginner speakers and you want to upgrade, I would suggest these Philips speakers because what I hear is pretty good. I like what I'm hearing, so I would recommend buying these guys. If you guys are looking for new speakers for your gaming rig or just your multimedia PC, whatever it may be, I would recommend these. I like the volume, so before I'm gonna turn it all the way up to the max before I stop the video so you guys can hear it.